Let me give you two China ETF tickers, which
Well, so that's the four. Let's do the four, and then we go into the next ones.
okay. Or is there any other ETFs you use for China healthcare? My apologies. I know you have special reports on those, right?
Well, the US. I've got that Cure is one. It's not
Yeah, it's
that liquid,
too
and then
liquid. Yeah.
there's also the China biotech listed in Hong Kong. So 2820.
Yes, yes. Don't worry, we'll go to that. Let me just tap your brains on this few first, and I'll give those tickers.
So I mean, we do have the clear divergence that's developed here
Mm,
into the highs. So, that divergence has seen, some volatility and choppy price action. The
mm,
50-day has proven support the last two pullbacks.
yeah.
So basically the lows early September and the lows this week.
Mm,
There's the longer term scenario where, this base.
yes, that's the bullish part, right? Yeah. Oh, it's almost there either. It's ridiculous.
So yeah, I mean, so a few things. It's what I'd so basically the base is played out with a move back to the
Mm,
22,
hot.
23 highs. You've got
Yeah.
slowing upside. So having some kind of digestion phase here would make sense. And, best case, it takes shape between this 205 and 248 that you've got already.
Mm,
Um, and then you can work higher from there. So if I had to sort of envisage like a longer term base, like you could even pull back to the breakout area at 170, right?
yeah.
And then that being just a much larger, so the way that I'd look at this. So this would take, some time to develop, but basically holding above 170, you could argue then that you've got a 5-year base in place that makes the 248 area the breakout point.
Uh,
So that's much longer term, but what we're dealing with right now at
yes.
best is a 200 to 248 trading range. Could
Mm,
that get into a more complex and deeper trading range here? But longer term, that can all be part of a much bigger basing pattern. But definitely the upside momentum, the breakouts that we talked about early this year, they have played out to their measured moves. When you look
yes.
at the stocks, those breakouts have played out to their measured moves.
Mm, yeah. Okay. That's great. Then maybe we'll look at that Kiso. Then I'll give you two more China ETF tickers. I'm searching with those while you speak. Yeah.
Yep. So this had the divergence, and it's had the breakdown of support too.
Mm,
So that was obviously the divergence. This that triangle breakout, it met the upside targets that we spoke about previously. There is some support at the 100-day, but there's no divergence. So, without any divergence here, there's risk that we still fall lower. The 200-day will line up with these two previous peaks here,
oh, wow. Okay.
which come in at 106.
Mm, I see. I see. So this one's negative. Okay, cool. And Summit? Yeah.
So, yeah, we're still dealing with the same trading range, but obviously the support at 1580,
Yes.
1590 is
It's
critical.
holding. Yeah.
So if we break below that,
Yeah. It's already 50%. Oh my goodness.
yeah, the downside is basically
750.
760. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay. But right now there's no divergence, right? It's not as if it's holding something critical,
No,
right?
I mean, it did test and bounce off it. So there's no
Yeah.
divergence, but it did respect the support area.
Okay. Okay. No, this is the culprit. Okay, cool. And then the next tab?
Um, so here too, you had your divergence. Yeah, we didn't break above that level. The positive thing is you have
Hmm.
held or at least recovered this 3320 support zone.
Yes.
So you basically
That's incredible. Yeah.
have a trading range here, but with the slowing upside momentum, the best case is that it keeps on holding this trading range.
Yeah. Oh,
You know,
okay.
if you did break below that 30 support zone,
Yeah,
you could derate to
Saturday.
27.
Yeah. Oh, that would be awesome. I'm just waiting for this chance. You know, they are the guys who sold shares and then ended the last bull market. No, these
Yeah,
are the
right.
guys. Yeah, yeah, they are very smart. And they placed
Right.
shares recently at the previous peak.
Yeah.
That's a bit headache. Okay, cool. And then 18, okay, I'll give the tickers are 3069, okay? And then hold on. Um 159 570.
159.
Yeah, 570. I Oh yeah. Look, all these funky ETFs. I've never,
Right.
but this thing trades like 500 million.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the next one, um, let's do 1801. Yeah, and 1530. All the focal points names. Yeah.
So this last trading range, so this is looking at the HS Biotech. The trading range that you broke out from the upside target there was
It's already met.
1590,
Yeah.
already met. And then you've had slowing upside momentum. Yeah.
Uh, but it's not even sold off. It's crazy, as in like we feel so painful, but I can't even see it from the chart, right?
Yes. I mean, I look from, that's
Oh my goodness.
these things swings are 10%, right?
Yes, yes.
It's been quite choppy here with that divergence. So
Yeah.
basically,
But even if it held, it's still more RSI sell, right? Or when do you consider an RSI sell played out?
well, this would then, so you've had the divergence here for, call it 2 months. If you're
Yeah.
holding a trading range for 2 months, so if you keep on holding above this $16 support area for another 2 months, then you've probably worked off the divergence.
Okay. Okay. So it's a time, not a magnitude of decline either, right?
Well, you have that, those are the two results that you have for a divergence. You either have a time-based correction or you
Mm,
have a magnitude correction. So
got
that's
it.
why I said the longer you can hold above this, it would suggest that it's then just had a time-based correction.
Okay, that's about awesome. And then the next one, that funny little ETF, is the one that I've been told. The commentary says the volumes have dropped off since the 2nd of September. Very bear sign, whatever shit, right? Yeah, but it looks like it, huh? Oh,
You've got slowing upside. So obviously divergence
RSI
there.
sell, yeah.
This is unbalanced volume, which also has stalled out.
Sorry, what is that? Unbalanced volume.
Yeah.
Mm.
So basically it takes the volume, if this
Yeah,
equity or the ETF closes up on the day as a positive number,
yeah.
if it closes down on the day a negative number. So it's just an accumulation index. So the idea is if price is rising, unbalanced volume should be rising. So
Oh, I see. Got it.
this, yeah, while it's retested the highs, you've had bigger down days, so you've made no net gains there.
I exactly. So the answer here is it has to come back down to the white line, right? And hold it there before it can work off the divergence in a good case, right? In a bad case, we're looking maybe at a green line, right? Or
Well,
yeah,
so in a bad case, you break below the support at 183 and you
yeah,
get, the 15% downside,
yes,
which
yes.
takes you back
To the
to
last support line.
155.
Yeah, 155. Okay. And then this one, surprisingly, right, was mentioned by the article. I didn't even know this ETF exists. It's traded 4.5 billion RMB. Yeah. So anyway, when you have a chance on the main call, right, I'm going to just ask you for these thoughts, or if you can incorporate in your analysis, right? I'll send it to you. Thank you. Yeah,
Uh,
and go to 1801.
so again, the upside target from that big trading range has played out. And then we've
Mm.
had, multiple divergences here too. So
Mm.
there's two layers of support. The last few lows have given you support there at 85, 87,
Yeah.
and resistance just over 100 or 111.50 basically.
Mm. I see. So the safe time will be to buy it closer to 80, right?
Well, I think
I don't think
We-
anything is structurally broken. Yeah.
Yeah, but we need to see divergences. We can use that to manufacture a trade and use
Yeah,
80
yeah.
as
And
level.
stop, right? Yeah. Okay.
But
Got it.
obviously, if you break below sort of 84, so
Yeah, yeah.
the
20%.
theory is that
Oh
that's a
my goodness.
20%
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
to
That is a
trade
long way.
trade down to $69.
Oh, where the gap is. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, there was an actual clinical readout on the gap. Okay, that's perfect. And 3S bio?
So again, pretty well defined divergence, right?
Mm. So a lot
So
every one of them showing this, right? Yeah.
yeah, I mean it's been a great move, and yeah, you've seen maturity now into the advance with the slowing upside momentum in these
Yes.
choppy trading ranges. So yeah, best case it keeps those choppy ranges going.
Okay, then that's fine then. Cool. Then let me just give you one more tickers. Within this 1093, that's your Zizia's favorite. Yeah.
Yeah.
And 1177 and then 9995. And then sorry, and then this one will be 6160. Yep.
So yeah, also the divergence here, and then we've had this increased volatility. I mean, you can see the old resistance area is clearly acting as support
Yep.
around the 932 area. But with the slowing upside, again, best case, you spend more time consolidating above that 9
Uh
30 zone.
yeah, okay. But you don't think there's enough momentum breakout unless there's new news, right? Yep.
Well, I think, again, best case, you spend,
Yep.
maybe another 2 months holding in this pattern, and then you can get a break to the upside.
Okay, I see. That helps.
That'll be the best case. Obviously, the worst case would be
Below.
breaking below 932 and then,
Yeah.
we trade down to 760 or something like that.
Yeah. Okay, that's awesome. Sino?
So, yeah,
Also, yeah.
yeah. I mean, I guess the commonality is quite, again, the big bases. The other point would be that these multi-year bases that you had before, that bullish profile has played out. So now we
Mm,
need sort of a new consolidation
yeah.
to get new targets. But same thing here, slowing upside momentum, probably set up for a trading range to develop.
Yeah. Okay. I know we're going to repeat a lot of it, but I just want to check the levels as well. Yeah. This one, by the way, is a clear shot. There's a lot of fakery going on, right? But when do I start shorting it? That's the question,
This
right?
is actually one of the differences in that we had divergence here. You had a short-term pause.
Mm,
This breakout momentum is at the
confirm it,
same
right?
level as what you had basically back here in March.
Yeah.
So there's no new upside target, but interestingly,
Yeah.
out of all the names you've looked at so far, it's
I
the
know.
one that does have a different momentum profile.
You know what I was going to mention? There is a big house like manipulating this.
Right.
Yeah, we were talking where's the value of this company, like $30, 30. So
Wow.
some yes, exactly. So we know this fundamentally. I'm
Yeah.
just but we just have to wait for the guy to be done, right? So when he gives up, but when is a level of alert when it breaches, let's say the red line, right? It's back into range,
Yeah.
long way
But
down.
probably look on the upside too. Like 148 is your next resistance.
Ah, I'm amazed if we can pull it to the upside.
Yeah.
It's already $8 billion. Okay, okay, that's good to know. That I'll keep a lookout for it. And then B1, yeah.
So this has been one of the laggard breakouts. The short-term target here is
Oh, what the shit? Yeah,
259.
yeah.
But there is an issue with with momentum, right?
It's really narrow, but yes, it's still there, right?
So it's not as if this breakout has come with massive momentum. I mean, it's been quite choppy, but it's a laggard breakouts, and there's still two big targets that are unmet, though, right?
Mm.
So the most constructive would be that this divergence gets worked off by consolidating above the breakout point, which is at 171.
Mm,
And
mm,
then it can continue to re-rate from there. So this is one of the few that still has big upside targets as far as the 23,
mm.
24 basing action.
That's very impressive. So I shot the wrong thing. It's okay. If we flip back to the first tab, um, sorry, um, what's my ADC? Uh, si- 2696, 6990, then 2616, and 2256. Oh yeah, I forgot Hungary, but yeah, we'll come back to that.
So it's sort of new divergence, new trading range here.
Oh, where's the trading range? Oh, okay, a
So
small trading
oh
range.
yeah, I
Yeah,
mean it's just trying to develop with the divergence that you've just started to show here.
I see. Oh, so you're saying that it will trade down to the white line. If it holds, it holds about.
Well,
It
it's,
can
it's
about come
already
back.
bounced. So it's bounced off the white line. So that gives us our support area, which is the lows back in August and the lows we made recently, right?
Mm,
And your resistance is basically at this 85 to sort of 90 area. So
mm,
that's a very narrow range that it's developing here.
mm. Okay, okay. Then Cullen, yeah.
So the last little trading range, you did hit the upside targets. Um, there is a little bit of divergence developing, but
Mm,
it's been quite a sort of slow, smooth, grinding move here. So it's not as if that's the big divergence on any of the other ones.
okay. So this one's slightly better off, right? It's just stable.
Slightly better off. I mean, 50-day as a trailing stop, you can see you've tested the 50-day sort of on four separate occasions. I'd be using that as a
Mm,
risk management level.
okay, that's cool. Then let's say a sea stone. Now we are moving into the really exciting category. These are real strong guys, right? Yeah, longer term.
So here too, you've got the divergence, you've broken 20-day. It
Mm,
hasn't really given us, levels to set up a new trading range. But if we look at what's happened to the other ones,
yeah,
we should expect to see some kind of trading range take shape.
I see. So, but that dip previously is not counted as trading range, right? Not really, right? Three
No, I
days
mean,
ago.
so this is the sell-off. Could it be the start of a trading range?
Yeah,
Yes. But I mean, it's just one. We've just got
one
one
point.
point, a high and a low. The other ones have at least given us 2 or 3 points.
I see. I see.
But that
Okay.
that could be the range that develops. But again, I think the sort of key takeaway is the slowing upside momentum.
Yeah, yeah. So it's not good risk reward. Okay, that's fine. Then let's look at Abisko. This one didn't pull, or it came back instantly, right? Yeah, it's really impressive.
Yeah, so another divergence,
Yep.
and we've got two levels here. So there is some support clearly at 1550,
Oh,
and then the 50 days, the next sort of key support area.
okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. So back to the first tab. Hungary 600,276. Yeah. And then 9688, 3933. Okay, and then we're good. We're going for okay, actually LEGN.
So still a target here, which is unmet at 77
Oh,
renminbi
that's good to know. Yeah.
and pretty consistent momentum profile.
So this is the guy to buy, right?
But
Among
yeah,
the
it's
large cap.
consistent and it's still got an upside target that hasn't been met. So not massive upside, but yeah, still pretty
Yeah.
consistent
No,
unmet
I
upside
mean,
target.
on the day of the puke out, right? I should have gone to this. Okay, that's great. That's great. Cool. I'll keep this in mind. Zai? Yeah. Oh, it's completely different. The other way around. Yeah.
We basically landed up with a trading range trying to take shape here. We did drop below the 200-day. There's no divergence yet. And then your big support comes through at $20.
Hmm. Okay, this is cool. Okay, and then the next tap, United Labs.
Yeah, so
Uh,
we've obviously had a lot of divergence develop on this one.
but it's held, right?
And it, well, yeah, it's clearly got this trading range, right? I mean,
Yeah,
what's quite distinct here is 1385 to
yeah,
basically $18.
yeah. This is a tricky guy because yeah. Okay, doesn't matter. Then let's go to the next one. Legend.
So
This is
this,
totally tricky. Rallied, gone, and then now they're coming back to Hong Kong, and still no one cares. Is this a
yeah,
buy here? Yeah,
well, this base played out, right? You got up to the upside target. Since then, you've fallen.
back all the
Um,
way. Almost there. Yeah.
so you do have some support there, and you do have a small divergence here.
Oh, this is the only thing that's opposite.
Yeah, so
Okay.
this decline looks like it's running out of steam. You do have
Yeah.
basically you need to use $32 basically as a stop level
Yes. Yes. Yes.
for a
Okay. Now
potential.
I'm gonna get some. My boss hates this name though.
Right.
Oh, okay. Cool. Let's go back. 1672 and then 867. Okay, and then 2359 2269.
Well, this did get momentum confirm the highs here. So this pull back to the breakout area. I think you can use this as a risk management, looking for another push towards the upside target of 2246.
Mm.
So that's
So
what I'd look at.
this one is still a positive, right? Because of the momentum before, right?
Yeah, momentum confirmed. Obviously, it has pulled back, but
Yeah,
pulled back to the breakout area. So that I'll view
it's
it more
supported.
as
Yeah, that's
a
amazing. I tell you
re-entry
what this
point.
guy did, right? Right at the top, he placed his own shares trying to milk the market, and then it has a very bad reputation and it collapsed, right?
Right,
This,
right,
but it's a not of oral obesity drug that's the best in the world. So, okay, I guess you're entirely right. The narrative and the charts are aligned. And the
right,
next tab, yeah. Wow, this is crazy. This one has a spin-out of a dermatology, very cool dermatology business,
right.
and it's breaking out now, right?
Well, I think um,
I hope this thing comes back, but yeah,
so. I think sorry, this price is trying to push through and hold above 15, 30, 1540.
yeah, it's not successful yet. It might fail, right?
Yeah, and the RSI is lower, so there is risk that that breakout doesn't work.
Okay, if it doesn't work, why do I buy it? The closer to the pink line, right? Yeah,
Well, yeah, I mean
yeah, exactly. 12.
this range will be support here. So your first
Mm,
support level will be at basically 13.90,
ah,
$14, and so this range would be your reassess point.
yeah. Okay, that's cool. Then let's go to the mainstream boys. Yeah.
So high momentum peak here. Well, first of all, the trading range you had late last year, early this year, you've met that initial target. This last minor triangle breakout still has
20,
136
yeah.
to 137. But that would be a take profit because momentum's not confirming it.
Exactly. Because I'm very curious. This thing shouldn't work if the biotech, if the correlation is one, right? But I've been hearing that people are moving over to the CXO. I don't see it in this one. But we'll see in the next one. It's okay. So this one still has some, but cautious of RSI sell, right? Forming.
Well, but this is a mature move where Wuxi Bio, has only
Yeah.
recently broken out, and that still gets you $50 basically.
This is still very impressive. No, no, great call, man, Lawrence, this one. Okay. Okay. We see bio.
Yeah.
Yeah, to the green line, right?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Then 2268. Yeah. Then
Yep.
300, 347. Yeah. And then let me give you a mind ray, right? 300, 706. 300 mind ray.
All right. 300?
Yeah, 300, 706. 760.
760.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll give you one more ticker. 6881144. Oh no, sorry, 688271. Yeah, okay. Let's go with these few first.
So this similar to Wuxi AppTech in that we're getting another push to the upside. There's still a unmet upside target basically of $80, but
Yeah,
you are getting a divergence. So for me, what that means is you take profits into $80.
I see. But you can still get there, right? The momentum's still solid enough to.
Yeah, well, yeah, momentum is still rising, but obviously not as strong. But yes,
Ah,
I
got
mean, I
it.
think both Wuxi AppTech and Wuxi
XDC.
XD,
Yeah,
yeah,
up. Mm,
can push towards that level. But I wouldn't be aggressively adding here. If you're long, I'd be looking at taking profits into that.
got it. Okay. And then Tiger? Yeah.
So the ultimate laggard, basically
Yeah.
the first target of the breakout you got to, which was that
73.
72, and then we've had this trading range, the 200 days
Yeah.
as support. So basically, the next big signal is essentially a breakthrough 74, 75, and then it's
Oh.
123 on the upside. And I guess you can use the 200 days as stop level just to manage risk
Mm.
and limit your downside.
Oh,
So,
it's so far away from it. Yeah.
if you bought it at today, you're taking 7.3% risk. So, yeah, I mean, it's not, you probably just need to be patient on this one.
Yeah.
Either wait
Yeah.
for a break to the upside or
We
try to
almost
buy.
wanted to short it on the news of the plunge because
Right,
the US wants to have no US China data. Okay,
right.
then cool. Let's go to the next one then. Mind ray.
So a bit messy, but trying to break out of the base here.
Yes. Oh, this one has a potential, huh?
Yeah. I mean, it's quite a strange one because we had this trading range, I know, for a number of years.
Yes.
And we did break just below that range. And now we're trying to recapture it.
No, we're
So,
already in the range, no? We're already in the white line.
well, yeah, so we broke down and now we stabilized
Yeah,
and we're trying to,
I'll
there's a bit of
recapture it.
volatility here.
Yeah. But
So I think,
if I do see the pink line, right, 2300, 232, I should buy it, right? Generally.
well, yeah, that's your 50-day and you can
Yeah.
use it as your risk management level. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this one, you say the jury is still out, right? Wait to see it get clearly, firmly into the trading range, right?
Well, I think it's not the highest conviction
Yeah.
one, but you can use the 50-day to limit your downside risk and accumulate it here, basically.
Got it. Got it. I will do that. No, because the rotation is out towards them. Okay. And
Yep.
then the last guy, that's the biggest beneficiary. Yeah.
Well,
Oh, it's a breakout. Yeah.
yeah. if we just take, let's be conservative and look at just this range here, the momentum move, and we're holding above that breakout.
Hmm.
This gives you almost 30% upside.
Your house is pushing this aggressively, so I should go
Yeah,
get some. Okay. Okay,
yeah, this
perfect.
looks good.
Looks good. Okay.
Yeah.
Then the first tab, another of your guy's name, right? 688114. Yeah. And then 301087. Okay, and then we go to TPP Farm. TPP. TPP. Yeah, that's the first guy. And let's start with Daiichi. 4568. Yep. This one also looks good, huh?
So
Yeah. But not
this,
that clear. It just held the 200 day. Yeah.
this was the original base, the
Yeah.
break. Then we've pulled back and we've held that support area.
Mm.
Um, so I think,
Yeah,
using,
we're really not far from it. Yeah. If
yeah,
fundamentally I like it, I should get it here and stop. Use a stop, right?
yes, yep,
Mm. Okay. It's too small. That's why I was curious. Okay, then let's go to the
yep.
next one. Cove. Yeah.
This one's still basically within the range.
Uh,
You really need to punch through that 47.29, 47.30 area.
yeah, yeah. Okay, so this one just jury's still out. Right? But what about
Yeah.
the last spike? The RSI confirmed it. Does it mean anything?
Well, that we should still trend towards that 48, but I suspect that, moving
Ah,
back to that level will set up a divergence and we stay
okay.
range bound basically.
Oh, that's perfect. No. This one I actually know this very well. I should own this. Okay, cool. Then let's look at topics then.
So that was the top we had last year, the decline, and it's tried to repair, but momentum slowed to the upside here. So it looks like we got a false breakout and we're
Hmm.
likely to still sort of remain range bound. The small positive as far as the range bound goes is that you've made higher lows. So, this support zone at the 3400 to 3430 area should limit downside risk. So more of a tight trading range.
Okay, I see. I see. Okay. Then Daiichi? Yeah.
Yeah, so just unable to had two breakout attempts, right? So the base is still in place. Two failed breakout attempts just leaves us sort of trading in the range for now. Um,
Oh, I see. This one's extremely bad, right? Yeah. Okay. I
but
have no
just
idea.
doesn't get follow through. Like we've had two breakout attempts and it's all rolled back.
Yeah, got it. Okay, cool. Then 4578. Yeah. 4519. Yeah. 4502 and 4523.
2-3 was it?
Yeah. Yeah, ASI. Cool.
So you had the divergence, you've had this base. We have broken out. So, I mean, it hasn't been high momentum,
Yes.
but the breakout still suggests that, we essentially trade back to the highs in
10,000.
24.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And where can I buy it safely? That's the 50-day, right? Yeah.
Well, yeah, probably a bit higher at the 7,869. It's the upper boundary of the range.
All right. Okay. Let's hope we get there. Okay, cool. And Shugai?
So, yeah, still having had that false breakout, you did revisit the opposite boundary of the breakout area, which is sort of quite common.
Yeah.
And then the second point, it did respect again the 6,000 support area.
Mm.
So it
So
has
it's
left
gonna.
it,
Mm.
it's left it in a range. 6,000 still key support. In the short term, the moving averages are acting as resistance. So there has been, even within the
Mm.
range, some internal selling pressure.
Yeah. No, this one is a strange one. Fundamentally, it got screwed, right? The drug was pretty bad. But because Lily's aura is holding up, so that's what the red line is about. Okay, don't worry. Then Takeda. Yeah.
So sort of another breakout attempt, but unfortunately with no momentum here.
It's back into the range, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's rolling back in. So yeah, look for further ranging action. Probably the 200-day active support.
No, I should go short this guy. But I just got
Yeah.
nothing on the long side. Okay, don't worry. Let's go to A side then. Yeah.
So the base and the breakout here. So you just hit the upside target recently, but momentum's still confirming that.
I want to short this guy. So
So
annoying.
yeah, no slowing upside. I'd probably look at 6,000 as the next level.
That's crazy. This thing can double? Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry. Okay. Cool. Then uh one more name. Hold on. Astellas is 4503. Yeah. 4507, 4528, and 4587. We're almost done in Japan. Yeah. This is remarkable.
So you had this head and shoulders base here that you broke out from. I think you've hit the upside target already.
So I can hold it. This is so painful. Oh yeah, it's failed twice at the upside target, right?
And you've also now got slowing upside momentum. So for me, that's a take
Ah,
profits.
thank goodness.
I would look for it to sort of stall out here. You do have supports there at
Ah,
1575.
okay, that's awesome. Thank you. Yeah, then that's that Shinogi then.
So we basically within striking distance or have been within striking distance of the upside target.
Yeah.
And you also have slowing upside momentum here.
Uh,
So for
so
me, this also looks
this is
like
a
a take
sell.
profit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
back to the white line. Okay, cool. Oh no.
Uh, The base finally took shape with the divergence, and we're now approaching what would be the breakout point. So 1760.
Yeah, but it's never succeeded, you know? It's a piece of shit business. But just to look out for the stop, right? If it goes up above it, get out, right?
Yeah, that's right. It's a
Yeah.
20% wide range.
Mm.
This momentum profile has been pretty consistent, so not a major divergence or
Yeah.
divergence, clear divergence here. So yeah, there's potential for it to try and break out
Test
of
it.
this space. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Like a Takeda, it might fail, but yeah, let's go to
Yep.
Pepsi. Yeah.
So the only
By the
thing I
way,
could,
mm,
yeah, go ahead.
no, by the way, I was gonna say, this Friday we love your views on all these AI, Oracle, Nvidia shit because this seems to be what's causing the carnage in the U.S. on my side.
All right.
Where the funding shot for them, and
Again,
we can't even explain what's going on. I Intuitive was down 5 last night on no news. Yeah,
right.
yeah. Oh, so this is yeah range, but it's
Well,
getting stuck there, right? Yeah.
well, you got this divergence into the low, so it does look like it's trying to base out. But obviously,
Uh,
breakout areas at 1862.
I see. So, but if I see the lower red line, yeah, I should absolutely buy it, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. But if it breaks out, there's the 200-day above, right? If it breaks above the 200-day, then it's different, right?
Well, I mean, if it breaks above this 1862 area, the theory of the base would suggest that it should break above the 200-day
Okay.
and
Okay.
trade up to 22.36.
All right. Then I should look out for it. Okay, that's cool. Then one more ticker. Just two on the 4543. Okay, and then 6869. Okay, and then 4901. And then let's do SRT3. GY. Yeah. Eh? Space GY. That's so strange. Oh yeah, yeah, there it is. There it is. Funny Bloomberg. Yeah.
It's stuck. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, this is what? Is this a
Yeah,
buy?
so
Oh.
Teramu, I mean, there's no divergence. Looks like you breaking this very short-term support area where you could trade back towards 23.45.
Oh, this is bizarre. Considering the bull market. Yeah, so I should try to get some there, right? They made a silly acquisition in the UK and it puked. Like,
Yeah, but if it does
yeah.
set up a divergence on a retest of that lows, you've
Ah,
some
but that's
evidence.
so
But
far away. I doubt we will get there. Is there a higher level you would buy at? You wouldn't. I
well,
wouldn't wait for such,
there's
right?
no other support until you get down here. I mean, you've broken this support, so
Ah,
yeah.
okay. No, no, that's helpful. Cool. And let's look at Sysmex. Oh, retested twice. Oh, it looks like a buy now,
Well,
right?
momentum confirmed those lows.
Yeah,
Obviously haven't made a new low yet, so
almost.
it's
Yeah,
weak.
it's weak, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Where would you buy it if you see it make a new low and start turning up, right?
yeah. If you get a divergence on that,
Yeah,
but I mean, maybe
perfect.
the worst case scenario on this one, right, is that this
I
trading range
know.
breakdown. It's,
Yeah, yeah,
it's like
uh,
15.35, right?
yeah. Okay, cool. Then let's look at Fuji. Oh my goodness, so impressive this shit.
There is a divergence here.
Ah, okay.
So yes, it has broken above
Yeah,
basically the 34.85 area, but there is some slowing upside.
yeah. Okay, then that's fine. I'll probably buy the green line then. Okay. Yeah, we were right to stay out of this. I just didn't want
Yeah.
to do it. Okay, then let's look at Sartorius. Funny, this one, why isn't it a buy? I don't get it. Well, I know momentum is flat, right? That's the thing. Stock's been
Yeah,
flat. Momentum.
it hasn't set up a divergence. I mean, it is trying to
Yeah.
base out here, but there's no divergence to sort of make it
Mm,
a higher conviction setup. So
yeah.
we
Need
could
to
end
just
up
be patient.
retesting. Yeah,
Yeah.
just need some
Okay.
time.
That's helpful. Cool.
John,
Then
let
of
me
course.
I just need to blow my nose quickly. Give me a sec. Sorry.
Oh yeah, yeah. No problem.
Sorry, man.
I hope you're feeling well. 家人早，我现在就在跟 Lawrence check China Biotech the levels. It's all RSI style, man. 挺恐怖的。 Hey, Lawrence, you okay?
Sorry about that.
Oh,
Sorry,
no,
Johnson.
no, I was worried for you, man.
Uh,
Yeah,
I got a bit of a picked up a
cool.
flu or something like that in Hong Kong, so
Oh, okay,
trying to
that's
recover.
okay, okay, cool.
Um,
So in the
got
first
that.
tab,
Yep.
can we look at
Yep.
DRG?
DRG.
Yeah, I'm so annoyed. Trump's still hitting it, but I think we're almost done. XLV, yeah. Then XBI, uh, and then let's start with Lily, LLY. Yeah, cool. Failing again, this piece of garbage.
Yeah, so pretty well defined levels. Where
Oh,
where you break out is basically 971, 972.
oh. We almost tried, right? And then got
Yeah.
hammered by Trump with the vaccine shit. Okay, okay, good. Okay, fine. And the healthcare? This one
So
because of United Health, it may have broken out, but it's come back. What the shit?
yeah, so the last 2 days, and you
Yeah.
also got this slight divergence too.
RSI fell? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. But it's below the so far below red line. I wasn't even sure I could count that. Yeah,
Yeah. So I mean,
yeah.
it's not
Mm,
basically, yeah, it failed to break above the 200-day. It leaves it range bound.
yeah. Okay. So this one, we have to observe, right? If it comes back across the yellow line again and hold it, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, long
Ideally,
way
if we
down.
can pick up
Yeah.
momentum, because you can see the upside would be 148 if we can pick up momentum from here.
Yeah. So this is a United Health driven thing more than
Yeah.
anything else. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Can we look at XBI? This is the one that is tricky. Trump is trying to save it, but I don't see why it should rally. Yeah.
I mean, the profile here still looks like you test the top of the range, right? Momentum still confirmed the highs here, still
Yeah,
holding
probably
above
it
the
is.
moving averages.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. That's fine. Can we look at Lily?
Let me,
This one's very tricky.
I think so.
Hmm.
Obviously, you've got the trading range, you've got the yellow line here, you have the downtrend channel there from March.
Hmm.
Um, so yeah, to me, high momentum low, the rebound, this is not a high conviction sort of recovery here. Maybe we get a trading range, but definitely capped by the 200-day still, pressurizes the downside.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So this is still on the downside trending, right? Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
Then let's look at Merck, BMY, MRK, BMY. Then PFE, yeah, JNJ. Yeah. In the interest of time, I'll just go through the few key names.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you had the divergence, you've got this base. I mean, again,
Hmm.
you did pull back, so it does look like we do more work.
Hmm. Oh, you're gonna draw this line all the way to
Yeah, so
78.
there is
Yeah.
some support at 78.
It means it's a pricing shit. Okay, got it, got it. That Trump has a good clarity in pricing. Okay. Yeah. Bristol? Yeah. Oh, it's a shit breakdown. All below it. Yeah.
So you got the divergence.
Yeah, this is the curious one. I bought well, thanks to you, I bought the RSI buy, right? But it can't hold anything.
Look, the
Yeah.
base is still in place. You're still obviously above the support zone, the 200-day and the upper boundary. So we do need a break above 50, 51.
Yeah. But right now it's
Yeah.
below all the averages, right? I should just wait around for it, right? Or just get to the sidelines, right? Oh, it's no
Well,
no view.
because
It's in the
because you're
middle.
moving sideways, I mean, the divergence suggests that the stock's trying to base out, right? So
I
I
see.
think if you look for a break above 50 to add to the
Yeah.
position, that would be how I'd look at it.
Okay, cool. Pfizer? Yeah. This one's a strange animal. The top analyst is actually bullish on this. The whole street isn't. Yeah.
So just a few things, like we did break the downtrend channel.
Yeah.
That did turn into support. So basically, we're pulling back again, and the
Yeah.
support at
23, right?
23 is quite key that it holds that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If I could probably buy a 23 and use the stop there, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. J&J?
It has held the breakouts.
Yeah.
Um, and then the longer term, yeah, upside target still 205.
That's crazy. This J&J?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine. Cool. In the first tab, let's do Teva, TEVA. Yeah. Then AMGN. Yeah. Then let's do ISRG, BSX. Yeah, cool. I'm just gonna pick out the key tickers and then done.
Okay, but
Yeah, it's a
so
tricky momentum one, right? Yeah.
yeah, I mean, did pull back last night. There is what needs to hold the support at 1820
Yeah,
to maintain that recent breakouts.
I see. Then
And
we'll
if it
go
can
to
do that,
22.
you can still target 23.
Wow, this is impressive shit. Okay, and Amgen?
It's still in
Oh,
the
this
range
break.
here, but yeah, broken support. So it does look like, or broken short-term support, does look like you can trade back towards the bottom end of the range around that 250 mark.
Oh, I've got lucky. I'm short this thing. But even though I have absolutely no fundamental reason to be. Okay, intuitive? Yeah. Oh, is this an opportunity? What do you think? Oh shit, doesn't look like it now. What happened? I thought it was a Mega 7 proxy.
So there is support here.
Yeah,
Um,
and
we
potentially
need
RSI buy. Yeah.
we need a bounce. So remember last night it closed at the lows.
Yeah. Oh, at the lows.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So if it doesn't bounce, the
Hmm.
RSI will keep on falling, right?
Yeah. You wouldn't recommend jumping in today with a stop at the red line, right? You would actually
Well,
wait
I
for it.
mean, obviously you can do that. That will really limit your downside. Like
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
1%, right?
Or I mean, if it opens down tonight, I'm actually going to buy some, right? And then
Yeah.
I'll decide. Okay, okay.
Well,
No,
yeah.
no.
I mean, if it opens down to, so the only thing to be, I think, cognizant of is
Yeah.
if it opens down and then still closes at the lows.
What do you think? Yeah.
Well, that will be negative because the RSI will keep on
Goes further
falling
down.
and
Yeah,
you'll break below the support area.
I see. So the safest way is to actually wait for a comeback, right? Yeah,
But then at least you know that your RSI is hooked up and you've got some kind of exhaustion.
I see.
So
I see.
maybe it does gap down, but then you get some kind of intraday reversal, and
Mm,
then you can buy into it.
got it. Okay. Boston? Yeah. Almost there too. Crazy bugger. Oh shit, it's below the yellow line?
Yeah, and again, a close on the lows. That did close below the 200-day.
That's crazy. This never happened for the stock, right? Oh well, it just did in April, but this is the bulletproof guy. Yeah. Okay. If it breaks below a red line, then we have something great, right? Yeah.
Yeah, well, then you're back to April lows.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. Cool. Can we just look at TMO? Yeah. And then DHR. We just do a quick one, right? DHR. And Novo B, NOVOB. No, no, N-O-V-O-B. No, N-O. And is a no,
Oh, sorry.
Novo, yeah. Yeah, exactly. We are moving to Europe. Then AZN. Yeah. If you just speed through this because I have one more set of fours. Yeah. Hmm. Oh, doesn't look good, right? If it breaks down, nothing to do here, right?
Um, yeah, this one's it used to have a quite a neat trading range here.
Yes, yes.
And then it had that volatility sort of false break and then a
Yeah,
break. But now the bottom end of
it's
that
filling there.
is
Yeah,
turning into resistance. So
it's negative. Yeah,
it looks like you probably can come back to
440. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, that's good. The Danaher is a bit different. I don't know why. It's gone ahead of it, right? Would you buy? Almost,
Uh,
right?
there's no divergence and it looks like it's breaking this.
Oh shit. Okay. That's
So
sick.
no.
Yeah, no. Okay, then that's good. Novo. Yeah. This is very tricky. I was getting out, and this strength happens.
Yeah, I mean there's look no divergence, 50 days still resistance. There's no high conviction setup here to be
Either way, right? Yeah.
yeah
But if I
to be
get 291 again, I should buy some, right?
well, I mean, if it gets a 291, you should get a divergence, and then
Divergence.
yes,
Yeah.
you've got a bar set up.
Yeah. Okay. And Astra? Yeah.
So yeah, we basically failed at resistance. We've rolled over.
Oh,
So
that's a good thing to short. Okay, cool.
yeah,
Sorry, just give me a few more tickets and we're done, right? SAN, FP, yeah. Then ALC, FP, and ROG,
okay, so ALC,
yeah,
SW.
SW, yeah.
Yep.
ROG, yeah. Uh, and GSK, and then we're done. Thank you. Should just speed through these. Yeah.
So
Is a
you've got
buy. Hmm.
double bottom supports,
Yeah.
and you've got
RSI buy bounce.
divergence. Yeah,
Yeah. Hmm. But the green line is going to be the challenge, right? Yeah.
the green line, ideally bounces back to 88, but yeah, it's a bottom fishing buy.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. ALC. Funny. Why isn't this one a bottom fishing buy? Okay. I know fundamental reason, but are we there? Yeah.
Um,
Almost there. Yeah.
So again, we just want the hook up, right? Because we closed at the lows.
Yeah.
So you do need an uptick to give you a confirmed RSI peak
Okay.
or higher low. And
But
then you do have
do you need it to touch the white line? Yes, right. Ideally, get there and touch
well,
it.
I mean, I would think the white line is your stop level, and what you want is price to pop up so your RSI gives you
Got
your
it.
divergence.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Roche. Yeah.
So
Ah, I should
basically,
have shorted this crap. Yeah.
yeah, we're still trapped in this range.
Yeah. Now it's all below the averages. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And then GSK.
So another one got to the top of the range and
I have
we've
no idea
still
why these things happen. Okay. Okay. So this is a short as well, right?
yeah, or at least capped on the upside. So yeah,
Yeah, perfect. Great. Thank you so much, Lauren.
no
Thanks
problem.
so much for your
Okay,
time
thanks,
today. I will
Johnson.
see you on Friday.
Keep well.
Bye-bye.
All right, cheers, bye.
Bye.